Okay, my name is Sam O'Leary. I own NT Excavation and Demolition. Started the company in Darwin in 2011. Carry out earthworks, pipe work, mainly civil work, some demolition. So we're currently standing in Muirhead subdivision. It's a BMD subdivision here in the northern suburbs of Darwin. We've been here probably for 5 months. We have 2 excavators working here on sewer mains and stormwater mains. This is a bulk of our type of work here in Darwin. We do a lot of subdivision work. Currently involved in a lot of defence projects around the top end and south towards Catherine. So we currently have 7 Volvo excavators in the fleet, ranging from TR 145 14 ton through 30 tonners to 35 tons, all the way up to, we run a 460 Volvo excavator as well. The latest one behind me is the EC 350 DL, which we recently purchased from CJD in Darwin. We stick with the Volvo brand because of fuel efficiency and creature comforts for the operator. It's kind of second to none. Yeah, so the cab in the Volvo is a lot of the reason we choose Volvo. In the extreme conditions up here, the cab and the aircon is very important to the operator comfort. The Volvo, we feel, second to none in this range. We currently have 7 operators in the team working on projects in the local area around Darwin and as far south as Catherine at the moment on defence-based projects. Obviously, reliability is a key issue for us with the Volvo to minimise downtime. If we occasionally do have breakdowns of that, the team here in CJD, they back the product and are always on hand to give us a dig out if we have issues. When we've had issues down the track in Catherine, which is 350 k's from Darwin, we've had a good response from CJD. They immediately get a field service unit on the road for us to minimise downtime. With the large distances we travel here in the territory and machines being so spread out across the state, it's very important that we get a good response from the branch and from CJD to help us keep those machines moving. Well, the past 5 years working with the sales rep Brenton from CJD, he's always on hand. Any questions we have or if we have any issues, he answers the phone immediately, and it's made it very easy to put some new machinery in the fleet. He's really worked with us to make sure we can get the product the way we want it and spec the way we want it, so for the type of conditions we have up here. Well, with the large opportunities happening here at the moment in the territory, we're looking forward to keep working with CJD and the Volvo product moving forward.
Yep, Brenton Jolly, so I'm the Regional Sales Manager for CJD, looking after the Northern Territory and top part of Western Australia. So currently I do Volvo construction equipment and PACCAR or Kenworth trucks. So I've been with CJD for 5 years and yeah, just find it a good fun job, good opportunity. Customers I deal with are great. Northern Territory is a change of scenery for me. I'm originally from South Australia, moved up here 5 years ago to work for CJD. I've known Sam for 5 years now. Sold Sam his first, the first machine I'd sold Sam was an ECR 145, which was roughly 4 years ago. And since then we've sold EC 300 and a 350 new office, a second-hand 350, which was an ex-Volvo rent, and helped him find a second-hand EC 460. Get on fairly well with Sam. I made it very clear my history has been trucks. Sam was easy to work with. With Sam it's been very good actually, because with Sam he's taught me quite a bit about the industry, both on his side of it and my side of it, about the machines and people's requirements, and it's just made my job so much easier to work with customers and Sam. Sam came into us just before Christmas looking for another machine. He'd already made up his mind that he wanted an EC 350. Several reasons was the cabin driver comfort, operator comfort, just for this size machine, and the conditions up here are very hard on the machines. He was also worried about the fuel efficiency, and as he told me before, the Volvo's quite good and is one of the best as far as he's concerned, as far as fuel efficiency go. And the backup and service, he's very happy with what CJD offer him. Usually if he rings, either myself or the workshop, either we get out to him that same day or the very next day, so just depending on parts availability and so on. Yes, it's been a pleasure working with Sam, helping him build his business. There's some great opportunities going forward here in the territory. There's a fair bit of work being released, and look forward to helping Sam grow his business even more with more machines. Thank you very much, Sam.